We wish our viewers a Merry Christmas. Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, team of doctors of RSP's Ispat General Hospital collaborate in path-breaking research findings on cerebral malaria. And automatic pneumatic blow-down system inaugurated at SAIL, RSP's Coke Oven Department. Now the news in detail. A team of doctors of the Ispat General Hospital, IGH of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, have collaborated in a path-breaking research finding in the field of cerebral malaria. The Clinical Infectious Diseases Journal of Oxford University Press has recently published the findings based on extensive research through advanced neuroimaging scans. It is worth mentioning here that cerebral malaria or brain malaria is a dreadful clinical condition during the malaria infection. Often fatal, this complication accounts for more than 20% overall mortality. Unfortunately, till date, there is no efficient drug available to treat cerebral malaria. Such patients continue to remain in coma and have the risk of developing multi-organ failure. Research works are being undertaken worldwide on this deadly disease. It is noteworthy that IGH has also been involved in clinical, epidemiological, radiological and molecular research of malaria for past 35 years. In the past, various landmark studies on malaria have been conducted at IGH. In the current research, which has been undertaken by IGH in collaboration with scientists of the New York University, USA, comparison has been made with respect to the changes in the brains of survivors with those who died from the cerebral malaria across different age groups using advanced MRI techniques at IGH. They assessed 65 patients with cerebral malaria and 26 control patients with uncomplicated malaria who were being treated. On the basis of the newly discovered results, the team of researchers from IGH believe that a system could be developed for the identification of patients at high risk, which will enable their proper clinical management. As a whole, this study points at differential clinical interventions among the two age groups, that is, in adults and children. The findings of the study have been well appreciated and regarded as very useful in management of cerebral malaria in future. The research team from IGH included Dr. Rajyavardhan Patnaik, Dr. Megharaya Majhi, Dr. Rashmi Ranjan Mohanty, Dr. Anita Mohanty, Dr. Sonia Joshi, Dr. Pratibha Behera, Dr. Parmananda Rath, Dr. Archana Behera, ex-doctors of IGH like late Dr. Saroj Kanti Mishra, Dr. Sanjeev Mohanty, Dr. Sudhanshu Shekharpati, Dr. Kishore Chandra Mahanta, and Dr. Sanghamitra Satpathy were also associated in the study. The team collaborated with Dr. Praveen K. Sahu, molecular biologist and chief scientist, New York University, USA. In a function organized at Coke Ovens Department on 23rd December, an automatic pneumatic blow-down system was inaugurated by Mr. P.K. Dash ED Works. Also present on the occasion were Mr. A.V. Rajshekhar, CGM Mechanical, Mr. I. Rajan, CGM CO and CC, Mr. B.R. Babu, CGM Blast Furnace, Mr. Arunava Dasgupta, CGM Quality, and other senior officers and employees of Coke Ovens Department adhering to the norms pertaining to COVID-19. It may be noted that inconsistency in coal blend is a chronic problem of Coke Ovens. A consistent coal blend can be helpful in producing good quality coke with desired techno-economic parameters and also maintaining quality of hot metal produced from blast furnace. In the expansion side of coal blending unit, there are 8 blending bunkers and 16 way feeders. Due to starvation in coal blending, bunker and way feeders chute was jammed. As a result, there was inconsistency in coal blend quality. Therefore, the Coke Oven Collective took up the challenge of clearing the bunker jamming. Accordingly, the teams of employees have installed 64 air blaster. Each air blaster can run either in manual mode or automatic mode. The capacity of each air blaster cylinder is 150-liter and it is able to clear the bunker jamming. The system was installed within 75 days. To run this pneumatic system, compressed air is supplied from the revamped compressor of PBCC. The above said compressor was not in use since last 23 years. By using in-house resources, Coke Oven Collective could make this compressor workable. It is worth mentioning here that automatic pneumatic blowdown system will be improving the efficiency of Coke Oven's operation and help in maintaining the quality in production. That's all in this edition of Rourkela News. Namaskar.